In this video, I'll cover the process of completing an entitlement to decedent owner affidavit. This document is commonly called a relationship affidavit, since the document may only be used by close family members to claim unclaimed property. Under Pennsylvania law, a close family member is defined as a surviving spouse, child, mother or father, or sister or brother of the deceased owner. On this form, you will be required to enter your personal information. Fill in your name and address. Then enter your name, the decedent owner's name, and their date of death in the section containing the provisions under this Pennsylvania statute to pay a close family member. Check the line to indicate your relationship to the deceased owner is that of a surviving spouse, child, mother or father, or sister or brother. Next, list other individuals that are entitled to claim this property because they hold a higher order of preference. For example, if you are a sister or brother of the deceased owner and their surviving spouse or child or mother or father is still living, you are required by law to list these individuals and make distribution accordingly. Provide their name, relationship to the deceased owner, and address. Sign the claim form by the X to acknowledge your agreement with the terms and provisions. For claims $5,000 and greater, sign in the presence of a notary public. The notary is required to fill out the section immediately below your signature. The remainder of this form contains the full statute relating to decedents, estates, and fiduciaries. Now you can upload the completed relationship affidavit to our website. Go to the Claim Status Upload Forms tab on the main screen, right underneath the Already Started, Need Help section, or if you prefer, print and mail your form to our P.O. Box.